Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Leonardo AI. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for Leonardo AI. Now click on the very first site and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on Create an Account and you will be sent to this login page. Now, if you have an account, then just enter your credentials directly, or you can log in with your Google, Microsoft, and Apple account. But if you don't have an account, click on this Sign Up button. Now, enter your email address, create a strong password for your account, and then click on Sign Up. After that, Leonardo AI will send a code to your email address. So open up your Gmail account and look for the code that Leonardo AI has sent you. Once you have found it, copy that code, paste it here, and then click on Confirm Account. A new pop-up will appear on your screen. Here, choose your username and your purpose of using Leonardo AI. After that, toggle on this button and click on Next. Now, skip this part and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.